He himself what having an na kiaro chamangana you. So basically this is what happens. You keep on to akabugiri kare. I want to agati. I want to agati. But the ngona harari. For instance, singotera ke wanche te hindi. Kwa manyire ko the thing.
I mean, that's what I was trying to explain to you earlier. And I used to learn keyboard when I first came to the United States. I was actually almost getting to the ile part penye unaweza sema nimejua. Lakini whenever I started doing computer things and other things, learning computer hardware and software engineering, when I started giving myself a head start on other things, so I didn't necessarily take part in finishing what I had started with the keyboard.
Okay. But oh no. But naro chumwale gotera gete. The
psalmist singers. With me, my brother, and my sister.
This is too high. That will be good.
Yeah, so we make songs. I love for, or sometimes we just sing songs and make covers. So a cover is like me singing somebody else's song, but in my own way or in my own version. So like juzi tulikuwa tunaimba it's called maombi. Yeah, ndugu watambua mtandao wa kiroho uliopewa na Bwana. So we were just singing that, and it's a very old song that my parents used to sing when they were in Pathfinder and when they were in high school, but we just sing it a cappella and put it out there for people to just see and get entertainment from it.
You must be enjoying,
Yes.
So basically abantu mbali omuntu na gatebanga ngakibono na injengo korantu ali bintu bunebi wigo modo tairanga bono ngokuno gwishanika nebinte bichi that once ebimbirio kaneti at the moment.
Yes.
That otago chakontomire keyboard igana naro koleti atenga alpha tumirange keyboard.
No, of course. I do understand where they're coming from, because at one point, yes, I've had uncles, and before I came to the US, I used to have uncles and aunts and grandparents that have lived in the US, and when I see them with a computer, ama kitu namwambia aki uncles, you need to me. But in the real sense, it's something that they had to work for, and I do understand that at this point, that for most of the things that we want, we have to work for. So, I mean, yes, if at any point, if I do go to Kenya, and I went to Kenya last year and I did take a lot of things. So things that I don't use, I most of the time take to Kenya, like computers, other things I take to Kenya. So yeah.
Oh wow. Rangi keyboard kiki awana using na kiye kobuga. Wow, it's a good keyboard. Any Casio?
Yeah, Casio. This is an old keyboard actually. Bought this first few months when we came to America.
Oh wow, I got much. Then I give my jacket.
Yes.
Tori na omo menyo omoche tori aiga sayoni kararara ta yo toco terogu toga nyomoche ogocha
Titorina omo menyo omoche tori aiga tore mi wagera yeso toganye tse mochocha toganye omochocha.
Wow.
Yeah.
So So it is good gutwara piano nyumba. Unatwateba is a privilege too.
Yeah.
Oh
so
no.
This is what I used to. This is what we used to tune most of our songs. So wakati tunaanza, we start with the tempo. Alafu we start writing a song, and when the song comes out, it actually sounds kind of good. So
yeah, actually unankora make my own beat chinga kichine. Uno connected here. You are able to kugino ene beat yoka. Kuruga eko na se computer.
And I record.
Oh, I already see a second computer, so you are set. And that way you are able to record your monto. You are able to record your monto.
So I mean, if I do record songs for people. If you want to come, you just call contact. And yes, we do record songs. If you want a song, unaweza kuja. We have all the equipment. We have videos.
We have video, audio,
everything, audio, everything.
Everything.
We have all of that. Kama ni tuning, unaweza kuja tutatune wimbo ikae ita sound like somebody that's famous sang it, but in the real sense ni wewe ulitengeneza peke yako na akili yako.
Oh yeah. At least I'm grateful and as Montanaro tamai na kiritu kono maliri kogenda na go kiri kumanya na kiritu kulia uli kogenda, even though abantu bebishete de bagronga quarantine ye.
Yes.
Mono rende we thank God inga asekirigintu yase reason yase purpose for it.
Yes.
Oh no, nganaria ulio maliri yase banchani waituli tukuliala.
I mean, my last words to the people is just that yes, we're in quarantine, but sometimes you have to enjoy yourself in a way.
Your brain doesn't have to be quarantined.
Yeah,
too.
your brain.
So be free to think and do something out.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing here in our household. We're taking quarantine as an advantage, sticking together, making music, and recording it, uploading it to YouTube. And like honestly, so like for us and myself and my siblings, we're just recording videos and putting them out there because that's what quarantine has led to.
Oh, that's good. You know, you make good of use of the opportunity. Every opportunity, you have to come happy with something.
Yes.
Asante sana.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh no, maybe in the next video we will be talking about the other stuff about family worship. People are complaining, we go such things. But then we thank God for this. Maybe see you next time. Global Radio.
Thank you. Torina owo menyo omoche tori aiga tore miwa ase ae toganye omocho bocha toganye omocho bocha.